Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage, Thornbury today. Normally I find something in the charity shops and something in the recycling centre, but not today. This is all I found that caught my interest. Indoor curling. Cost me 99p in Oxfam. Haven't even opened it yet. Let's have a look. Got some instructions. Oh gosh. Can't even get them out. Gonna need 2 hands. Yep, gonna have to put the camera down for a second. Well, I've read the instructions. I'm supposed to draw a suitably sized circle here, polish the floor to make sure we haven't got any dust. Well, none of that's going to happen at the moment. We're just going to try it out. We'll put this somewhere and just see if I can roll up close to it. So we've got 3 of each colour, so 3 dark ones and 3 silver ones. They've got 3 little feet on one side, which makes it roll nicely. So I'll just see how close I can get to there. Rubbish. Oh, too hard. Rubbish again. Too hard. Last one. I'll tell you what, that's a lot harder than it looks. I don't know how you do the scoring. I could read the instructions, but that one looks closest to me. I'll give it one more go. Right, dark ones first. Oh, those dark ones don't seem to be rolling as well. Try that again. Okay. That's a bad move, isn't it? Oh no. Yeah, that's the way to do it, isn't it? I think that one's just the closest, so yeah, that'll do. It looks like something I could play with my grandchildren. So 99p, I'm happy with that.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.